Okay, so for this one, the directions are to solve the inequalities and then graph the solution set and write the solution set in interval notation. So we got these two separate ones here, and we'll just solve this and see where that takes us. So I'm going to not change colors because I'm going to do it 1,000 times here. So I'm going to go minus 2x on both sides for this first one, and that's going to get me to 2x plus 5 is now less than 7. And then I'm going to subtract that 5 over, and that'll get me 2x is less than 7 minus 5 would be 2. And then dividing out that 2 on both sides, we end up with x is less than 1. Okay, so we'll pop over here, we'll do that same idea. I'm going to get my x's to one side, numbers to the other. So let's subtract the 3x on both sides. And that gets us to 2x minus 3 greater than or equal to negative 13. We'll add our 3 over. And so that's going to be 2, oops, that's a really ugly 2. 2x, not that much better, greater than or equal to negative 10. And then we'll divide both sides by 2, and we end up with x is greater than or equal to negative 5. No sign flips. I didn't divide anything by a negative, so our signs just stay as they are. So this is saying x is less than negative 1, and x is greater than or equal to negative 5. So let me get a number line here. And I'm just going to throw negative 5. Actually, let me give myself a little bit more room below there. So negative 5 would be on this end, and then 1 would be on this end. And this side says x is less than 1, not equal to, so we want to use an open dot there, and that would be going this way. And then at that same time, x has to be greater than or equal to negative 5. So that would be solid, and then greater than or equal to would be going this way. So basically what's happening is it has to stay less than 1, but still bigger than or equal to the 5. So it's all those numbers in between there plus the negative 5 itself. So notice the equals goes with the solid dot, and then no equals goes with the open dot. So then when we go to write that in interval notation, when we have a solid dot, that's a bracket. So on this end it will be a negative 5, and we always go left to right. And then this end is an open dot, so that's going to be a parenthesis, saying we're going up to 1 but not including it. So brackets always for solid dots, parentheses for open dots, and then also infinities. Hopefully that helps.